Hi, I'm the filter function. I extract records. I pull matching rows out of a dataset, creating live mini reports. I am an important function because in real-life business spreadsheets, users constantly ask questions like, show me all finance employees in our New York office. Show me employees hired after a certain date in our Dublin office. Before I came along, users had to manually filter lists, copy and paste rows, build complicated formulas, or create pivot tables. But now I can dynamically extract matching records instantly. So what do? I scan rows, test conditions, and then I pull out the records that match those conditions. Think of me as a smart data extractor. I don't return one answer. I return entire matching records. Okay, so what instructions do I need? Here is my generic structure. Let's break that down. The array, this is the data that contains the records I will extract. The include argument is the logical test. Think of it as which rows qualify. The next argument, if underscore empty, is optional. This tells me what to display if there are no matches. For example, no matching employees. Let's look at examples of me in action. For the first example, the user wants me to extract all employees who work in finance. Here is the filter function with the relevant arguments. I will need to go to the range A2 to F14. This is the full employee list. That is the data I can return. D2 to D14 equals finance is the condition. I will scan the department column looking for this match. If a department is finance, that is the condition is true. I will color it green. If it's not finance, I will color it red as the condition is false. So green for true and red for false. And if there is a match, I will extract the entire row. If not, I ignore that row. So let's go. We have a match here, so I will extract the whole row and place it over here. And another match here. I will also extract and place it over here. I will continue. I reach the end of the list. We now have a new dynamically created list. Remember, I don't return one value. I return records, entire rows, entire sections of data. That is what makes me so powerful. Let's look at a new example. We want a list of finance employees in our New York office. So we need to add a second condition. So here we have J1 is finance, K1 is New York. Here are my new instructions. I will need to process these new instructions. Every record must now pass 2 tests. I need to find these 2 matches in the row for it to qualify. Department equals finance and location equals New York. Please note, inside the filter function, the multiplication symbol signifies the AND logic. So condition 1 times condition 2 means both conditions must be true. Also in Excel, true is equivalent to 1 and false is equivalent to 0. So let's go. We have a match here, so I will extract the whole row and place it over here. And another match here. I will also extract and place it over here. I will continue. I reach the end of the list. We now have a new dynamically created list. Now we have a slightly different example. So far we use the AND logic, but I can also use the OR logic. Suppose you want a list of employees working in marketing or IT. My instructions now become, we are checking the conditions against the same range, D3 to D14. Watch me as I process this. Remember, inside the filter function, addition means the OR logic is implemented. So condition 1 plus condition 2 means either condition can be true. If a records department is either marketing or IT, then it's a match and I will extract the full record. Here we go. Straight away, we have a match as the department is marketing and another quick match as this department is IT. I will continue down the list and here is another match for IT. I have now processed the full list and here is a dynamic list of staff who work in either marketing or IT. Note, I spill automatically. That means if more matching rows appear, my result expands automatically. If fewer rows qualify, the spill range shrinks automatically. No copying formulas, no dragging formulas down. It's all automatic.
Whether you're looking to improve your own Excel skills or train an entire team, We've built a practical course for real-world Excel users. Our 6-level online program takes learners from beginner to advanced and now includes using Excel with AI, ensuring every skill level is covered. For businesses and universities, we support groups from 3 users to over 1,000. Managers can track progress, monitor results, and see team performance in real time. Course levels include online exams, and learners who achieve 75% receive an automatically generated CPD-certified Excel certificate. Individual and corporate group licenses available. Learn Excel. Work faster.